If you have a project you want to get off the ground, this is a great launchpad. 7,000 square feet of workspace with 3D printers, sewing machines, high-end computers, art materials. In addition to classes, I work at the Idea Lab part-time. Last year, I got a Macalester Liquid Fund grant for my own project. I've dealt with body image issues my whole life, so I photographed 30 different models and had them talk about their own body insecurities to raise awareness and create conversation. And then, I self-published my photo book and organized a solo exhibition. There are so many ways to make an impact here, which is why so many change makers gotta start here. You can get an internship with a local startup. You can't believe how many there are in the Twin Cities.
Seriously, Google it.
There's Macathon, where your team has 24 hours to create a new business idea. People stay up all night, lots of energy drinks, lots of fun. Or you can bring your own startup concept to life. A lot of cool companies began at Mac Startup projects. And Macalester alumni are always there to mentor us, cheer us on.
I'm Long, serial art major, photographer, filmmaker, storyteller, and entrepreneur.